This is Simon, a YouTube genius that is earning $3,500 per month extra by simply using AI. Here you can see his main channel, where he uploads long tutorials about different softwares. But that's not his only channel. This is his second channel, Maddox Media X, and he already has over 2.5 million views on this channel. And the great thing about this is he doesn't even put effort into it. Take this video for example. It is less than a minute long and it has generated him over $2,500 in ad revenue. And he's not the only one that's doing this. Ferdy Korpeshoek, a website teacher, he is basically making tutorials about all kinds of websites, and what he does is pretty great. Take this video for example. It is 5 hours long. From that 5-hour video, he converted it into over 12 different videos, all from that same video. And that has generated him an extra 140k in views, and it didn't cost him any extra effort. So if you're not repurposing your content, you're missing out on more views, more subscribers and more money. That's why in this video I will show you how it works. I will give you an entire content strategy that creators like Simon and Ferdy use, so you can copy that for yourself. And I will give you this secret AI tool that will repurpose your content for you. Make sure to watch this entire video to the end, because I will show you some additional ways on how you can make money with using this tool. Now let me first start by breaking down the blueprint that they are using for their videos. Take Simon for example. This is his hour-long Shopify tutorial. What he has done in this Shopify tutorial is he has done research. What are people looking for? What issues are people struggling with? He provides a solution in that hour-long tutorial. Let's say you only want to look for a video that is saying you how to publish your Shopify store, then you're not gonna watch an hour-long tutorial on this. This is where these clips come in handy. So what he has done, if we take a look at his channel, now this video that he used, he clipped it up into separate clips and he posted that on his Maddox Media X channel. And here we can see what that has resulted in. So this 5-minute video, it has generated him over $6,500 in ad revenue. Given that his ad revenue is probably about $20 per 1,000 views, meaning that like a video with 127k has earned him over $2,500 in ad revenue. Just these videos alone have generated him more than 10k. And that's all because he just repurposed it with AI. Now keep in mind, he didn't have to put any extra effort into this. He didn't have to re-record videos, he didn't have to edit them, he didn't have to make new videos. He just repurposed it. He only had to make a new thumbnail. Just take a look at these thumbnails. They are very simple. And then boom, he has generated over 10k extra on just these 4 videos alone. So now that we've analyzed how this works, and before I show you the AI tool that we're going to use for this, let me actually explain how much time this will save you. Take a look at these 4 videos that I made. These are all software tutorials that I made previously. This one took me 4 hours to prepare, 20 minutes to record, and it took about 4 to 8 hours editing time, depending on how crazy of an editing style I have in that video. Now all of these videos combined, they all have some time that it took in terms of editing and recording them. In total, this took me around 30 to 40 hours to make these 4 videos. Besides that, it also costs money to hire an editor, which will save you time, but it will cost you some money for that. So let me show you how you can save 40 hours by repurposing your videos with AI. Here I have this 19-minute long video, which is on the longer end of the videos that I usually make. And keep in mind, this works best if you have like hour-long tutorials like Simon has. But for this video, it works also perfectly, because in this 5 best AI video editing tools, I discussed these 5 different topics. And as you can see, I already created videos about them. And this one got 12k, this one got 10k, so I know there was some search traffic for it. What I could have done instead is I could have repurposed this video and then turn it into like 5 separate videos through the help of this AI tool. And then boom, I can do all of that in a matter of minutes. Now let me actually show you how this works by entering in the AI tool. For this we will be using Opus Clip, and I will leave a link to Opus Clip in the description where you can try it out for free. Then the way it works is we head over to the video that we want to repurpose, we click on share, we copy the link. Then we head over to Opus, we paste the link in there, then we select the template that we want to choose. I have a 16:9 ratio template. If you want to have that template, then you go to brand template and then you can click layout settings. And then here you can select 16:9 and then you have that template. So then you can also select like the style and everything that comes with that. For example, the captions, it does everything that comes with it. But now let me actually go back and show you how it works. Here we select the exact time frame and where our video starts. Mine starts at 44 seconds because I have a bit of a long intro in that video. And then we choose our preferred clip length. And now this depends on how long your segments are. So I think that I talk about 3 to 5 minutes per segment, or 5 to 10. So I'm gonna add in these 2 segments right here. Then we can also filter it out by keywords if we want to. And then that way it will help us segment those clips. And this way we have different clips for our video. Now, once you're ready, we click on get clips with one click. And this usually takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Opus Clip is now done. And these are the 4 clips that it has made for me. So I'm just missing one of them, but still this works very, very good. Let me just show you one of the samples that it has made. So let's jump in right away with a banger of a tool, and it's called Feed.io. So Feed is an online video editor and it makes video edit. So yeah, that is just one segment where I talk about Feed.io for my video. And this video is about 3 minutes long. What I can do now is I can edit the clip right here. I can change the text. For example, if I want to remove some text, let's say I want to remove this intro part, or also if I want to add in the outro a bit longer. Now for me it's already perfectly cut off, so I don't want to do that. But if I wanted to, then I can click on set as end, and then that will be your ending point or your starting point. Now what you do is you go through the script. Let's say for example on Feed it has made some mistakes, then we type in the error and we just fix it that way. And here also I have an error, which is Feed. So now our script is pretty much done, and if you spot any mistakes you can just get them out of there. We have these cool looking captions on our video, which my normal video didn't have. So we have the captions on there as well, and we can also change some of the design. So we can change the b-roll with stock. Keep in mind it doesn't work quite that well on longer videos, but you can try it out if you wanted to. But since this video is already edited, I don't need this type of b-roll. Then we can add some emojis on there. We can change the caption style if we want, and then we can also change the caption transitions. Once you're done with it, you click on save and compile, and then your video will re-render. This usually takes like a minute or maybe like 3 minutes. And then once that is done, you can press download in HD, and now your video will be downloaded. Now let me show you the intro for some of the other clips that I have generated with this. So this one is for InVideo AI. This is how it works. First we go to InVideo.ai. You can find the link for it in the. Now that one I can also upload as a tutorial on my YouTube channel. This will be a 3-minute tutorial where I show InVideo AI. Then we have this next tool, which is, lastly we have Pictory AI, and that is Pictory AI. I can also make a tutorial out of this, and I don't have to put in any extra effort. I can simply download it right here, make a thumbnail, upload it, and boom, I'm done. So that is how you repurpose your content with Opus Clip using AI. But keep in mind, there are some rules to this, and let me break it down for you and show you the ultimate strategy of how this works. Here we have a video of Ferdy Korpsuk. It's a 5-hour tutorial. What we can do in this 5-hour tutorial, it's a tutorial about WooCommerce. He has shown a lot of different steps. Here we have to do some keyword research. So we want to ask some questions. What are people searching for inside that topic? So for example, it can be questions like how to create a virtual product within WooCommerce, how to create a simple product, how to create a group product, how to deal with incoming courses, how to deal with incoming orders. Once you have identified those searchable clips, then you can turn them into Opus Clip, and that generates a bunch of different videos for you. Like for this 5-hour tutorial, he got 12 videos that he has uploaded on his channel. I believe he can do even more than that, but he just found these 12. And the great thing about this is on each individual video, you can add your affiliate links, you can add a link to the main video, and this way, once you add the link back to the full guide, you will be getting views at your full guide. Besides that, Opus Clip also works for shorts. So if we turn this video again into shorts, then we have a bunch of different shorts that we can use. And then in those shorts, you link it back to the full guide, and this way you'll be getting more views on your full guide, which will result in getting more money, more subscribers and also more views. If you want to try out this method for yourself, then I will leave the link to Opus Clip in the description down below, and there you can try it out for free. If you want to see how you can edit your videos with AI, then click the video that's on the screen right now.